Ready to say goodbye to Wati? This video will guide you through permanently deleting your Wati account. First, logged into your Wati account using your registered email and password. You'll typically find the login option on the Wati website or within the Wati application. Once you're logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile picture or name, and then selecting Settings or Profile. Within your account settings, look for an option like Delete Account, Terminate Account, or something similar. It might be located under a Security or Privacy section. Clicking on the Delete Account option will usually prompt a confirmation window. This window will likely ask you to confirm that you really want to delete your account and inform you of the consequences, such as data loss. Wati may require you to verify your decision by entering your password or through a one-time code sent to your registered email address, so be sure to have your email open and ready. After confirming, your account deletion process will begin. You might see a loading screen or a confirmation message indicating that your account has been successfully deleted. Remember, this action is usually irreversible. Keep in mind that deleting your account will permanently erase your data and you will lose access to any services associated with that Wati account. Be sure to back up any important information before proceeding, and that's it.